Imagine traveling where your vehicle isn't just for transport, but a moving palace, a symbol of power, luxury, and absolute freedom. Picture this: no flight delays, no hotel check-ins. You simply go wherever you desire, and your home travels with you. That dream is now a reality. Welcome to the magnificent 2026 Kenworth T2000 motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a revolution. It's where driving becomes a way of life. Stay with us until the end to see every incredible detail. And if you love the idea of ultimate luxury on the open road, hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to Dream Drive Homes for a front row seat to the world's most extraordinary motorhomes. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, today is special. We are here with a vehicle that is redefining 2026, the Kenworth T2000. If you're ready for the ultimate tour, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. Let's get this thing on the road. The Kenworth T2000 is a legendary name, a truck that has ruled American highways for decades. But for 2026, it has been reborn. It's been transformed into a royal palace that masterfully blends raw power with ultimate comfort. The exterior is breathtaking. It commands attention with its long, elegant hood and a gleaming chrome grille that catches the morning sun. Modern, razor-sharp LED headlights cut through the night, while the entire body has been sculpted for perfect aerodynamics. This isn't just a truck, it's a majestic presence on any road, from winding mountain passes to endless desert highways. Welcome aboard the future of travel. This is the 2026 Kenworth T2000, where luxury meets the open road. As you step inside, you instantly realize this is no ordinary truck. It's a world of its own. Polished wooden floors flow underfoot, surrounded by premium leather seating and soft, customizable ambient lighting. A cutting-edge smart control system puts the entire home in the palm of your hand, and the space is surprisingly expansive. At the touch of a button, the side panels extend outwards, transforming the cabin into a grand, sprawling lounge. Plush sofas face an 8K entertainment screen, and a powerful surround sound system turns every journey into a private cinematic experience. Moving into the kitchen, it's a chef's dream come true, featuring touch-controlled induction stoves, a large smart refrigerator, a built-in coffee machine, and stunning Italian marble countertops. The dining table, crafted from natural wood, can transform into a workspace or study area with a single, silent touch. The bedroom offers unmatched tranquility. The king-size bed features a built-in temperature control system, keeping you cozy in winter and cool in summer. The walls are fully soundproofed, ensuring peaceful rest even as you cruise down the highway. A digital control panel beside the bed lets you manage lighting, temperature, and window shades effortlessly. And the bathroom rivals a 5-star spa suite. It's equipped with a rain shower, heated floors, and a smart mirror that can display the morning news or weather updates while you get ready. When it comes to performance, Kenworth has made no compromises. The T2000 houses a next-generation hybrid turbo-diesel engine, delivering incredible power while maximizing fuel efficiency. Its advanced air suspension system ensures a ride so smooth you'll barely feel the road beneath you. Safety is top-notch. It features auto-driving assist, lane-keeping technology, a 360-degree camera system, and adaptive cruise control, making every journey not just luxurious, but exceptionally secure. In terms of technology, this motorhome is a true marvel. The entire system is powered by artificial intelligence, allowing you to control lighting, temperature, and energy usage with simple voice commands. It's also eco-friendly. The solar panels integrated into the roof help make it self-sustaining, allowing you to venture far off the grid. And even in the most remote locations, you'll stay connected via high-speed internet and satellite communication. At the rear, a hidden garage space opens to reveal a compact garage for a motorcycle or an electric scooter, perfect for exploring the local terrain once you've parked your palace for the day. But perhaps the most stunning feature is what happens when you arrive. At the push of a button, the roof deck expands expands into a luxurious lounge or even a jacuzzi area, perfect for relaxing under the stars, whether you're parked in the mountains or by the ocean. But what truly sets it apart isn't just the list of features. It's the philosophy behind it. The T2000 represents ultimate freedom. It's a lifestyle built for those who dream big, who wish to explore the world without boundaries, and who want the comfort of home wherever their journey takes them. In 2026, Kenworth has proven that the line between a home and a vehicle no longer exists. The T2000 introduces a new concept where travel itself becomes life. Every road is a new experience, every mile a new story, every dawn a fresh beginning. Can you imagine yourself behind the wheel of this rolling palace, waking up to a new horizon every single day? The Kenworth T2000 motorhome for 2026 is more than a machine. It's a dream turned into reality, a masterpiece of power, beauty, and freedom. We want to hear from you. Would you live in this on the road? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tour, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more incredible motorhomes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.